Welcome. It's Brightest Life, and today, we are going to share with you a good topic video. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button to keep you updated of our upcoming videos. We will be pleased if you also click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Thank you and enjoy watching.
What we know about Omicron. CDC has been collaborating with global public health and industry partners to learn about Omicron as we continue to monitor its course. We don't yet know how easily it spreads, the severity of illness it causes, or how well available vaccines and medications work against it. Spread. The Omicron variant likely will spread more easily than the original SARS-CoV-2 virus, and how easily Omicron spreads compared to Delta remains unknown. CDC expects that anyone with Omicron infection can spread the virus to others, even if they are vaccinated or don't have symptoms. Severe illness. More data are needed to know if Omicron infections, and especially reinfections and breakthrough infections in people who are fully vaccinated, cause more severe illness or death than infection with other variants. Vaccines. Current vaccines are expected to protect against severe illness, hospitalizations, and deaths due to infection with the Omicron variant. However, breakthrough infections in people who are fully vaccinated are likely to occur. With other variants, like Delta, vaccines have remained effective at preventing severe illness, hospitalizations, and death. The recent emergence of Omicron further emphasizes the importance of vaccination and boosters. Treatments. Scientists are working to determine how well existing treatments for COVID-19 work. Based on the changed genetic makeup of Omicron, some treatments are likely to remain effective while others may be less effective. We have the tools to fight Omicron. Vaccines. Vaccines remain the best public health measure to protect people from COVID-19, slow transmission, and reduce the likelihood of new variants emerging. COVID-19 vaccines are highly effective at preventing severe illness, hospitalizations, and death. Scientists are currently investigating Omicron, including how protected fully vaccinated people will be against infection, hospitalization, and death. CDC recommends that everyone 5 years and older protect themselves from COVID-19 by getting fully vaccinated. CDC recommends that everyone ages 16 years and older get a booster shot after completing their primary COVID-19 vaccination series. You are eligible for a booster at 5 months after completing Pfizer-BioNTech primary series, 6 months after completing Moderna primary series, and 2 months after the initial J&J/Janssen vaccine. Individuals ages 16 to 17 are only eligible for the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine. Masks. Masks offer protection against all variants. CDC continues to recommend wearing a mask in public indoor settings in areas of substantial or high community transmission, regardless of vaccination status. CDC provides advice about masks for people who want to learn more about what type of mask is right for them depending on their circumstances. Testing. Tests can tell you if you are currently infected with COVID-19. 2 types of tests are used to test for current infection: nucleic acid amplification tests, NAATs, and antigen tests. NAAT and antigen tests can only tell you if you have a current infection. Individuals can use the COVID-19 viral testing tool to help determine what kind of test to seek. Additional tests would be needed to determine if your infection was caused by Omicron. Visit your state, tribal, local, or territorial health department's website to look for the latest local information on testing. Self-tests can be used at home or anywhere, are easy to use, and produce rapid results. If your self-test has a positive result, stay home or isolate for 10 days, wear a mask if you have contact with others, and call your healthcare provider. If you have any questions about your self-test result, call your healthcare provider or public health department. And that has been our episode for today for Brightest Life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button, leave some good comments, and share this video. Hit the notification button to keep you updated for more videos like this.